Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2015 Chevy Suburban LTZ 4-wheel drive, stock number Z7477X. 32,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold the Suburban brand new, black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. This Suburban seats 7, leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row, which are also heated. Rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Dual DVD players overhead with wireless headphones. Push of a button on the inside of the door. Seats fold flat for additional cargo space. Push again, it will tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring behind the cover. Nice clean look when not in use. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily with the push of a button. You can also fold and tumble the second row seats from there. And bring it right back up, of course. And very clean, as you can see, no dents or dings in the body. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, 10-speaker Bose sound system, power seats, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and power adjustable pedals put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting and integrated trailer brake control. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. This Suburban has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring and forward collision alert. Leather wrap steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio apps. Navigation. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Lots of storage space in the center console. Large glove box with all materials. Overhead auto-dimming mirror. Homelink transmitter for garage door opener, power liftgate, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Suburban has a 5.3-liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Suburban, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.